So in light of the current crisis, I want to encourage you guys, wash your hands all the time, not just in the kitchen. Wash your hands when you touch anything. Just think of everything is dirty. And if you're sick, stay home. Obey the laws and hope we can get through this thing together. Welcome everyone. My name is Kunchi and this is Cooking with Kunchi. Today, we're gonna make some jerk chicken, but this is not gonna be on the grill. This is gonna be jerk chicken in my Ninja FOODI, and I've been waiting for a while to try this. I'm gonna do the entire cook process in the Ninja FOODI. I'm gonna start with some pressure cooking, and I'm gonna then bake for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna do the air fry and crisp that skin up and get that chicken looking nice and juicy. I have today some Reggae spice, authentic Jamaican jerk spices. I have the instant wet marinade. So this is the hot and spicy, and this is the sweet and sassy. We are gonna do 2 different batches of chicken, and we'll see how those come out. I'm not using any other seasonings but these 2. We're gonna see how instant this instant marinade is gonna be. I used already the sweet and sassy to make just a barbecue sauce. Flavor was really good, so I'm really excited to see what it's gonna do with these chicken leg quarters right here. My chicken leg quarters already have been cleaned, washed, trimmed up a little bit because I'm gonna be cooking with a lot of high heat. I didn't take all the fat off, so that will help to make my chicken not dry out too much. So stay tuned and let's see how this one goes. Make a run aboard. So right now I'm just putting some cuts in the chicken right here on the meat, just to make sure this marinade gets down in there. It's an instant marinade, so it's not overnight like I'm used to. So we're gonna really see, we're gonna test this marinade out. Spice. Also, I'm marking just down on the drum here to know that these are gonna be my spicy ones. And these are my, not the sweet and sassy. So you'll notice that, I have my spices here, and I have 2 separate spoons because I don't want to cross-contaminate my spices. It's always a good practice with wet marinades. It can really cause one to sour the other. And this sweet and sassy really tasted great in my barbecue sauce. Again, guys, just wash your hands when you touch your chicken before you touch your spices. Clean hands, clean hands. This hot and spicy is really kicking. This one seems like a little goes a long way. I smell that pepper, so not gonna go too crazy. Just gonna rub these seasonings in here. Just massage them really good. Right in those cuts that I made in the chicken. I really want that marinade to get down in there, underneath the skin. And this marinade smells really good. I'm excited for this spicy marinade. It smells heavenly. Lots of Scotch bonnet pepper. This video is not a promotion, guys. I didn't get paid to say anything about this. I'm just trying these seasonings out on my own. So right now I have some hot water pouring into the Ninja FOODI because I'm using the pressure cooker function to get this chicken jump started. I'm putting my 2 spicy leg quarters on the bottom, putting the sweet and sassy on top. I'm gonna give this about 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. After 15 minutes on the pressure cooker, is ready for the next step, which is gonna be a bake. Lift them out. So after my pressure cook, I noticed that the chicken is really done. So what I'm gonna do now is just put them on the air crisp function, about 12 minutes. Get that skin nice and crispy. Midway through, I'm gonna flip them top to bottom and get that to crisp a little bit even. So right now the chicken is done. Had to alter my cooking time and strategy a little bit. After the pressure cook, the chicken was really done. So I then had to just crisp them, and I did 12 minutes on one end, and then I flipped them around and then just finished them off for about 8 minutes. So right now they're really good. We're gonna cut into them, get a few bites, and we'll tell you how these taste. This one's really, really good. You can look at the chicken, it's still really juicy, so even though I stayed in the FOODI a little bit long, it didn't get completely dry because, you know, we had that skin on it, so it's good. Skin is really crispy. So I'd suggest, you know, if you're making thighs in the FOODI, you don't want to cook it, don't want to pressure cook it for 15 minutes. Probably 10 minutes would do it real good. And probably 8 minutes on the air crisp. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.